YouTube. Hey man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Fish, back with another video. And today it is Sunday. I am starting my day off heading to AutoZone because last night I had one of the let me fix my camera real quick. But last night I had one of the craziest things happen as a BMW owner. I was driving last night. I just came from the bowling alley with my friends, which I did not record. I don't know why. But I was leaving the bowling alley with my friends, heading home, and I decided to do a pull in my car, which I was in sport mode. I decided to do a pull, and I want to say like minutes later after me doing that pull, I got the little BMW Duff, the little sound of Duff. If y'all don't know what that sounds like as a BMW owner, it's kind of like it's basically just a notification. It's like a little doing. So that popped up, and a message popped up on my screen. It said to add oil. It said add 2 quarts of oil. So I got scared immediately, man. I started driving home. I was driving like 20 miles per hour all the way to the crib because I thought my car literally had no oil in it. I waited like 30 minutes to an hour, let my car cool off. I opened up my oil cap in my car, nothing but smoke. So it is extremely low on oil. But the crazy part today, I started up and literally it says it has a full thing of oil. So now I'm confused. So now I'm about to head to AutoZone, which I'm currently literally like 2 minutes away from it. About to head to AutoZone, buy some oil for the car to put in it for now, and then I'm probably gonna get an oil change like immediately, like probably tomorrow or something. So that's what we got going on today. I'm also about to head to my aunt's house to get some food because she cooked. So I'm gonna go over there, eat. I got a couple of videos to edit today, and then I'm gonna head back home and probably get on live. So today's video probably not gonna be that long because I don't have a lot of stuff going on today besides doing what I'm doing now. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, boom. So now I'm at AutoZone, as y'all can see, and it's currently measuring the oil. And this is probably the only thing that I do not like about having like a sports car like this. Like, I think literally like BMW, Mercedes, Maserati, like, bro, I think all of these like the high-end sports cars, they don't have dipsticks, I don't think, because I don't think my mom's car has a dipstick either. She drives a Benz, but it has no dipstick. You literally have to rely on the computer itself. So it's measuring right now. I'm about to see where it's at, but I know last night it said add 2 quarts, and then I started up this morning and it was all good. So we're gonna see what it says, because this is insane. Like, I was so scared yesterday when I was driving my car. Like, I was so scared when I heard that noise. Like, literally, I was done. Okay, yeah, see, it's still low. It says add 2 quarts, add 2 liters of engine oil. Okay, yeah. So about to go in here and grab some oil. I'm about to add some. So hopefully that helps my car. I'm actually gonna buy extra oil because apparently this car too, like with it being so like super modded and stuff, the oil just burns quickly, especially when I'm driving in sport and I'm doing pulls and everything. The oil, yes, y'all heard that noise? That's what I heard last night. But the oil burns so fast. So let's go in here and grab this oil, man. All right, so we at the AutoZone. Grab some of this oil. I need to grab 5. It's 5W40. Yeah, that's my car. The crazy part, my car actually takes 020, like 0W20, but because it's so modded, I have to get an upgraded oil. So it is 5W40. Hold on, let me just double check. Yeah, 5W40 in European. That's what I need. 5W40 European. I'm not seeing it nowhere. And it has to be 5W40. Yeah, like, we're not seeing it in this mobile one. I'm seeing everything but 5W40. 5W40, 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 5W40. 0. Wow. Might be out of luck. Hold on. Hey, boss.
Yes.
Do y'all have the 5W40 in a mobile one?
5W40.
The European
The European.
car formula, yeah.
Let me check in the back.
Okay, appreciate that. Yeah, everything but that one, and that's the one I need. Wow. 5W40. You know what's crazy? My mom actually had some 5W40 in her car. Now that I'm thinking about it, she had a whole bottle of it. But I need to get some for my own anyway. Oh, here you go, right here. But this say turbo diesel truck. This is not what I need. This say turbo diesel truck. I don't need this. I need the European. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get this oil. Alright, man, I'm at a whole nother location. I'm starting to think AutoZone is just trash, bro. Like, AutoZone used to be the go-to spot when I was growing up. Now it's not. They don't got nothing. Let me see if this spot got it. 5W40. Look, they got it in here. That's crazy, bro. Advanced Auto Parts got it. Look, they got the fully. They got this one. I wonder if they got a bigger one, because I just want to be on the safe side. Derry, oh, $37. Okay. Should I just grab this one and see what it do? I'm about to get an oil change anyway, so it won't hurt. We just gonna grab this one because I'm about to get an oil change. So, matter of fact, nah. Alright, I'm thinking I should just grab this one and grab two of them, because it says add 2 quarts and this is like the exact amount. But if I grab this one, it's 5 quarts and I'll be left with 3. That makes sense. So I'm not sure. Cause I'm not sure if I run into this issue again, but I'm going to get an oil change literally tomorrow. So yeah, let's just grab that one. And if I need to, I'll just come back and grab this one right here. Hopefully this does the trick. So let's grab 2 of these. Sir, grab this one and this one. Let's put it in my car and then let's see what it do. All right, man, so we got the oil. Sir, let me grab my funnel. Grab my funnel. I don't even need a funnel for this, but I don't want to get no oil all over my engine bay, so funnel it is. Ooh. Hopefully this does the trick, man. There's 1 quart. 1 quart down. 1 more to go. Alright. Take it easy on my car today, man. No pulls, none of that stuff, because make sure this is good to go. Alright. Woo. Oh man. Let's see if that did the trick. Let's check. Let's check. Alright. Now it's going through its little process. That should be good though. And then tomorrow, I think I should just go and get an oil change. Even though I just filled it up with oil, I think I should go and get an oil change just cause the other person said, he said he just recently got an oil change, but now that I just put some clean oil in there, I think I'm just go ahead and just pay for an oil change tomorrow at BMW. Let them put some oil in there, and my car should be good from there. And then I'm probably gonna keep carrying a thing of that because I don't want my car to be doing that, and I go somewhere and I have no oil and I get left stranded. Like last night when that message popped up, luckily I was close by the house, but when it popped up, I was at it was like 2 o'clock. No, not 2 o'clock. It was like what, 12 or 1. It was somewhere around there. It was late at night, so it was nowhere for me to go and get oil. And so okay, boom. It's good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got oil. 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 All right, let me stop trolling. All right, now that we got our oil, we good to go. Let's head to my crib. I'll see y'all when I get there.
These niggas prayed on my downfall. What? These niggas prayed on my downfall. This shit cooked right. Let's keep that water 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at me now, driving German engineering. Yo, remember when I used to use your ills to hit the road, hit the O and make them big boy sales? Move. Ain't it a blessing? We made it out of lesson after all of that happened. That bitch.
And why you get the wig?
All right, man, I'm just not leaving my aunt's house. It is like what, 7 o'clock. I am full. She made meatloaf. It was baked chicken, mashed potatoes, green beans, and then she made mushrooms on the side too. It was very good, cannot lie. Now I'm about to head home. I was debating if I should go to Best Buy, because y'all know I've been telling y'all about that camera that I wanted to get, the 360 camera. They've been on my mind heavily to get. I just haven't got it yet. And I'm trying to debate if I should just go ahead and get it now or just wait. You know what I'm saying? Because that camera right there will mainly be used for my POV channel, like my car channel, my Instagram car page, and my TikTok page that I use where I post all my car content. That camera is strictly for car content. Like I have different cameras for different types of content. It might sound stupid to y'all, but it's actually like, it's very easy for me to maintain my content like that, and that way I don't lose my SD card. So like my GoPro is mainly used for POV. So like every time I turn my GoPro on, everything that's recorded on there is mainly POV footage. So I know, okay, boom, everything's recorded with that camera. This camera right here that I'm recording on, that is my vlog camera. So I know every time I take the SD card out, it's for my vlog. Now my other camera that I want to get, that big, the big Sony, I'll probably get that later on down the line though. Once I get my vlogging channel where I need to be, and then I'm probably gonna get somebody to start recording videos for me. So I'll probably get a camera, a big camera for that. But for now, I most definitely want to get that 360 cam. So I might just go ahead and order the car mount today. I might go ahead and order it before I order the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the car mount, wait for it to come in and get the camera, and then I'll be good for business. And I think that'll be all of my purchases for the year. Because I bought a MacBook this year, which I needed. I pretty much got everything that I needed this year for content. So the last 2 items is literally just cameras. And then that'll pretty much be it for content. I can just say the rest of it. So, yeah. But with that being said, I know I just rambled y'all ear off. And I'm not even sure if I can hear me over my loud exhaust, because I barely can hear myself talk. But I will see y'all when I make it home. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, I am at home now. It is currently 8 o'clock. This day right here just went by so fast, and I feel like I got very little done. Like, I didn't go to church today. I'm not gonna make no excuse for why I did not go to church. I just did not go to church today. I had to go fill my oil up in my car because it was extremely low. So at least I got that done. And I went to my aunt's house. I did clean up this morning when I woke up, so I guess it was kind of productive. But I did not post all day on none of my social media platforms. I'm supposed to be uploading every day on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I didn't do any of that. Like, my first upload for today is going to be this video that y'all see me currently recording. This will be my first upload for pretty much the whole entire day. Like, I'm supposed to be uploading at least once or twice a day on every last one of my platforms. I did not do none of that today. So I really gotta lock in, man, because this right here is crazy. But besides all of that, it was a pretty good day, man. Like, I'm just blessed to be alive, to see another day, and I just can't be no more than grateful. You know what I'm saying? The grind will not stop. I really appreciate all the love that I get from y'all every single day. I really appreciate it. It's a process, man. It's a process. So it's really a process. It's just this one of those things where I'm it's like a dry spell in my life right now, because I ain't got nothing. I guess according to my viewers that subscribe strictly for me to drive trucks, I guess my content is boring now. So this is a dry spell for me right now. Like, I don't really have no crazy entertaining videos coming out. Like, all the video ideas that I do want to do, I literally have to, like, I just have to have a full team to get these videos done. Like, the type of videos I want to do, because it's a lot of videos that I have planned. I have a whole notebook full of video ideas that I really want to do, but it's gonna take, like, I'm gonna need a whole other camera person and everything. So until I get all that situated, it's just gonna be just me vlogging how I am now. But that'll pretty much be all, you know what I'm saying? Tomorrow, it might be a little slow day tomorrow. I don't have nothing really going on besides content. And Tuesday I got Bible study, so we're gonna go to Bible study. Wednesday, it's another content day. Thursday, content. Friday, like, every day is a content day. I just have to really just lock in and get everything together. Because I'm really, like, moving. I'm really kind of moving a little weird with my content. Like, it don't feel right. I don't know. But anyway, man, I will see y'all on the tomorrow upload. I love y'all. Your boy Fish is out of here. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
They keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 side, I know you silent, but they can't out-rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was